This is such a great time saver. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are going to make a large batch of Italian breadcrumbs and freeze them. You save so much time if you are cooking Italian recipes. Homemade breadcrumbs are an Italian pantry staple, the base for many traditional Italian cucina povera recipes. They are often used as a secondary ingredient to give structure to a recipe or added to make a crunchy topping. Fresh, homemade breadcrumbs are much better than the packaged ones, which are dry, flavourless and have no consistency. Stale bread instead still contains some moisture and has a much softer and spongy consistency, and nothing gets wasted. It can better absorb and retain the flavours of the other ingredients. These are the ingredients you need. Use soft white bread like baguettes, ciabatta, rosetta. You can either use fresh basil or parsley, Parmigiano Reggiano or pecorino, but do not use garlic powder or dried Italian seasoning. Then you may as well buy the packaged breadcrumbs, and good luck to you. To grate the breadcrumbs, you can either use a food processor with blades like brawn or an electrical shredder. I use my old KitchenAid attachment as it's more resistant. KitchenAid used to have a good slicer and shredder attachment, but the pusher broke and I couldn't find a replacement. Instead, they made a new one with a completely different shape, so I had to buy the new mode. Don't. The housing is attached by a tiny little pin that breaks by simply slicing vegetables. They sent me a replacement twice for free, but it kept breaking. I still prefer to use my KitchenAid as its motor is much stronger than the other appliances. So now I'm using my old shredder casing and a stale baguette as the pusher. Before I make my breadcrumbs, I grate the fresh Parmesan. You can buy a large slice of Parmesan at a fraction of the price. Remove the crust, but do not throw it away. You can put it into soups or stocks. Cut the Parmesan into small chunks so that they fit into the housing of the shredder. Shred the Parmesan and place it into a large freezer bag and seal it. Parmesan freezes very well. Since it's grated, it does not solidify. You can defrost only the amount you need and keep the rest in the freezer. Peel a garlic clove and remove the green shoot inside. Remove the leaves from the stems of your parsley or basil. Place inside the shredder housing first the garlic, then the fresh herbs. Cut the bread into sticks that fit the housing. Grate the bread, pushing the herbs and the stale breadsticks into a large bowl. Once all the bread is grated, add the Parmesan cheese. Mix them to distribute the flavour uniformly. Place the breadcrumbs into a freezer bag and seal and store in the freezer. As breadcrumbs do not solidify, you can defrost only the amount you need. Such a time saver when you are cooking Italian. To find out how you use the breadcrumbs or what else I keep in my freezer, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe. Everything is fresh and nothing gets wasted.